Hi boys and girls, Mr. McGeen here again. Just wanted to go over how we can use our skills in calculating to find the perimeter. Here we have a regular shape. Of course, this is a square, and we know that a square has all sides the same length. So this square has sides of 5 units. We don't know whether it's centimeters or meters or some other form of measurement. So we'll just say for now units. We find that perimeter by saying 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals, find the sum. However, let's not forget that we can use doubles here. 5 and 5 is 10. Another 5 and 5 is 10, right? So then we can just simply take 10 and 10, double 10 is 20. So that gives us 20 units for that perimeter. However, you may have noticed that we have 4 groups of 5. So we can use multiplication here as well. 4 times 5 equals 20. So look for opportunities to use the doubles, multiplication, when completing these calculations. Another example, here we have a hexagon. How many sides does that hexagon have? That's right, 6 sides. And we're going to say that each side of this hexagon is 6 units long. So again, I can use my doubles when calculating this, or I can just string it out and say 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals whatever that sum may be. Using doubles here, though, might make my addition a little bit simpler. 6 plus 6 is 12, another 6 plus 6 is 12, and a third set of 6's is 12. So when I add 12 plus 12 plus 12, I can now add my 10's together. I have 3 10's, that's 30, and 3 2's, that's 6. Altogether, the perimeter of this hexagon would be 36 units. Or, let's use multiplication again. 6 groups of 6 equals 36. Again, I can use doubles, I can use multiplication, or there may be times where I can just look for friendly numbers. Let's take a look at this example. This trapezoid here has a base of 7 units. The top side is 3 units long, and the opposite sides are 4 units each. Now, when adding the total perimeter, we could say 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 equals, and then find the sum. Oh, hold on here. That should be a plus, not a times. Let me change that for you. There we go. And then find the sum. However, I see that 7 and 3 go together nicely to make that friendly 10. The opposite sides is a double. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And when I add 10 and 8, of course, I have 18 units. So the perimeter of this shape would be 18 units. Those units could be centimeters, meters, or any other unit used to measure length. Let's look at one more example here to see how our mental calculations could be used when solving perimeter using larger numbers. Here's a triangle. It's an equilateral triangle, which means all 3 sides are the same length and all the angles are the same. And it happens each side is 113 centimeters long. Well, how would we add this together? Well, if we put 113 plus 113 plus 113, we could find the solution, or the sum. And we could do that by using the standard method. Let's remember that when using the standard method, we always start in the ones digit. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 tens. And of course, 1 plus 1 plus 100 is 3 hundreds. Or, take a look over here. We could simply look at our 3 113s. We see there's 3 hundreds, there's 30 tens, and there is 9 ones. Adding that a little bit more quickly, we see that that is 339. Finally, we could write it out lengthwise here. 113 plus 113 plus 113. Add those hundreds together. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. Add the tens together. 110 plus 110 plus 110 would be 30. And finally, add the ones together. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Again, finding the sum of 339. So in summary, boys and girls, look for opportunities to practice and use your calculation skills when finding perimeter. Use counting on if you have to. Look for doubles. Use your near doubles or your friendly numbers. Add on the tens, then add on the ones if you're dealing with double or triple digit numbers. Add on the tens, add on the ones, then combine them. Or use multiplication. Be efficient, keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll do great. See you next time.